So as most of you guys know, we watch a lot of anime on the channel. Some have the best story, some have the best sound effects, some have the best animation. But today, we're gonna find out which show has some of the greatest sound effects of all time, and we're gonna rank it. I'm gonna rank it myself. You could rank it in the comment section down below to see what you think is the best sound effects. Let's hop right into it. Alrighty, first up, we got Magical Splash Flare. Oh, hold on. Okay, that was a good one. Now, against it, we have Dragon Nova.
Dragon Nova!
Oh, this is slime. Now, this was good. God damn. As much as I love slime, Magical Splash wins things. The sound is kind of getting sucked, and then boom, you know, a shockwave explosion sounds better than the other explosion from slime, even though slime explosion is really good. But just like, that sounds so good. I think Magical Splash takes the cake for that one. Up next, we got Burst Element and Flashbang.
Burst Element.
Oh! Come on. Oh my god! Hey! Oh yeah. You hear the lava sound is... That was good. That was good. Now up against it, we have Flashbang. I don't know what Flashbang is from, so we're gonna check it out. I think I have to give it to Flashbang. I love Sword Art Online, but I have to give it to Flashbang. Flashbang was so good. It's just like that pure just bass in your ear. Next up, we got Explosion and Blasted Tree. And let's get it. I still have to watch Konosuba, by the way. Okay. Oh, hold on. It was good. Nothing crazy until the second half where you felt that shockwave come in. The second set of that, you know, sound effect coming in. Like, this is really good. But that, ooh, that little boom with the bass. Okay, that was good. That was good. Okay. What show is this from, by the way? Oh my god, that looks cool. But I think that explosion takes the cake. This is good. It looks visually good as well, by the way. I don't know what show this is, but by a long mile out of these two. So sorry, but it's Explosion. Next up, we have Moody Jazz and Anuma Elish. I think I recognize Anuma Elish, probably from Fate. We have watched Fate on my second channel, and it was a blast watching it. So if you haven't already, you can go check that out as well.
Moody,
I do like that little, like the tape-like sound effect. Okay, and the little rewind sound effect. Okay, that was nice. That was nice.
Eris!
Holy shit! I think we can all agree what won, right? I think we can all agree. I don't think there's a single soul that can say that Moody Jazz won this. Next up, we got Gold Experience and Shinra Saves Tamaki. I need to watch it. Bro was going crazy. Okay, oof. I don't know. I kind of do like that Gatling gun fucking sound. I had to give it to Fire Force. But again, I think this was a really good sound effect as well. I think it just got paired up against the wrong one. I feel like if it was against some of the others, you know, sound effects, maybe it could have won. Next up, we have Disintegration and Rimmel Scream.
Disintegration!
Oh, that's good. show is this, by the way? Ooh. Oh my god, it looks good. It looks good. And I think it also had really good sound effect, but I think Slime clears that one. There's no competition between those two. I'm sorry. Oh my god, my favorite #1 show. Come on. Oh, you hear the OST as well. Atomic. Oh my god. So good. I think what makes it better is the fact that the OST goes away for a second, lets him finish his sentence, and then comes back in. All right, this one will have to go crazy. Oh, this is from Fate. Oh, this might be actually a competition. Hold on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think whoever made this clip did it injustice by not putting the full thing in. This season of Fate was just pure bass on every sound effect, and they went crazy with it. Though it's up against one of the best sound effects ever made, alongside with Bankai. So I'm sorry. I think we already know what's gonna win. Let's see what this sounds like first. That's good. It's got a good amount of bass, a little rewind type of sound.
Made in heaven.
This is good. This is good. I'm gonna have to give it to JoJo as much as I love Eminence in the Shadow and I'm a fanboy of it. Because this was more of just him saying a line like, I got you. Versus this was actual pure sound effects. Oh my god. Next up, we got The Hand and Crimson Moon. First up.
東方丈介、お前はこの二重らを増やすのザ・ハンドが消す。空間を削り取る。すると。
Whatever that sound effect towards the end was, oh my god, you killed it. That was, I think that made this clip, I think if this was a whole solid 8 out of 10, that made it 20. Now this is tough because I love this sound effect with the boom sound effects, but I think, I don't know what it is. We're reading a clip off of the sound effects. Yet the best part that I really love about this is the sound effects going away and it being complete silence. I think I'm gonna give this to, as much as it hurts, I think I'm gonna give this to The Hand. Next up, we got The World and Shino's Arrow Barrage. Even the sound effect of her holding the arrow sounded good. Oh my god. Next up, we have The World. I think in this instance, out of these two specifically, I think I have to go with The World. This is the first one I think where I'm really conflicted. I really like both. I genuinely don't know. I'll just go for I'll go for The World, I think, this time around. I was so conflicted on it. Next up, we have Ars Ameledel Salamonis. And then we got the Angeleta Clagues. I don't know why I said it like I was speaking Spanish, but here we go.
Arus Armadel Salomonis.
No. What? Oh my god, that looks so good though. I love how it's kind of muffled. That's good. Ooh, this will be tough. I think, again, the Ars Alamadon Samarisu wins this one. Next up, we got the Lord Camelot and Ultimo Tope Patades. That shit popped off towards the end. Hold on. my god, nah, it popped off. Oh, I think I already really like that one.
ウルティモ飛べパターナ
And it's still going. I think we already know which one wins. Listen, Camelot was nice, but that Tope Patata went crazy. Oh my god. So we're back with Magical Splash Flare and Flashbang, 2 winners from round 1 to determine which one wins. Again, we're gonna listen to it again. This was really good though. Sounds so good. What show is this? I've never once heard of this show, but it has such a good sound effect. It also looks nice. Versus, we have the flashbang. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna have to give it to flashbang. I think I kind of have to give it to flashbang. As much as I like the magical splash, I think if we were going for visuals and sound effect, I think magical would win. But if we're going purely off of flashbang, flashbang wins. And anybody that's not saying flashbang is either biased towards that show or are also judging it off of the sound effects. I mean, the visuals as well. We got Explosion and Anuma Elish again. I think I know which one's gonna take the cake on this one. But let's get again. This is really good. There's a reason why it's here in round 2. But the king never loses. The king never loses. Holy shit. I mean, is it really even a competition? Is it even a competition? Next up, we got Shinra. And then Disintegration again.
Disintegration!
Even the sound effect of the is like a liquid getting sucked into it because Rimuru is a slime at the end of the day is so nice. I think Fire Force overall has better sound effects, but I think in this case, Disintegration kind of takes the cake. Let's all be real. That's so good. I think in this case, Disintegration takes the cake. Oh shit! Here we go again. We got Made in Heaven.
Made in Heaven!
It sounds really good. It really does. But it's against...
I am atomic.
I think we all know who wins this one. I'm sorry, JoJo's fans, but Atomic takes the cake on that one. Next up, we actually have 2 JoJos up against each other.
東方丈介、お前はこの20裏奥安のザ・ハンドが消す。
Oh, that's so good. It's so good.
The World!
I don't know what it is. I really like this sound effect. Oh, if we're talking going purely off of the quality though, I think the hand takes the cake because it's, I think, again, sound quality is also on a higher bit rate as well. And it just sounds really nice. But I think this one is really good as well. But in this case, I think I'm going to go with the hand. Next up, we got Salomonis again and Patata. I think I know which one. Oh, hitting that little shield is so nice. Versus
Ultimo Tope Patada!
I think I know that. I think I know. For me personally, I think Tapata wins that one. We got the flashbang versus, flashbang. Hey, you did great to make it up here, but the king never loses. Like I said again. We all know which one wins. We all know which one. Come on, man. We have the disintegration versus I am atomic.
Disintegration!
It's good. It's amazing, but is it I am atomic?
I am atomic.
And then that'll play with it as well. Maybe it's the bias in me speaking out, but I think I am atomic takes the cake. It will forever be, I don't know, it's just something about it. It speaks to me. You know, it speaks to my ears. Now we got the hand versus Topada again. This is good. That's good, but again.
Ultimo Tope
Charging up. Yeah, I think, listen, I think we know that Tapata takes the cake on this one. We are in semifinals. Match 2 out of 2. Oh, no. Oh, no. Two of my greatest and my favorite sound effects going up against each other.
I am atomic.
It's so good. But we have the king himself. Again, it is out of all the shows that I have watched on the channel so far, on my #1 list, I have 4 shows on my #1 spot. I have Black Clover, Bleach, Eminence in the Shadow, and 7 Deadly Sins, right? It hurts me to say this, but Enema Elish takes the cake for this one. Next up, we got 2 Fate sound effects. The Patata and Enema Elish. Now, this is one hell of a way to go out, because it is both from the same show. Not only are these two sound effects from the same show, it is from the same season. Back to back with 2 or 3 episodes in between them. Patata.
ウルティモ飛べパターナ
Even the OST playing in the background is wrong. And then scream that.
ウルティモ
It's so good, but it is up against Anuma Elish from Gilgul.
エリス
My God! I think Anuma Elish takes the cake. In this tournament, maybe there are sound effects that were not chosen. I'm surprised that, you know, this was the only sound effects that we got. But aside from that, let me know what your ratings were. What do you think is the best sound effect ever made? Again, leave your bias out. Go for it purely off of the sound effects and what you think, you know, just sounds really nice to your ears, right? I would love to know. Aside from that, I think, again, I'm happy with the, you know, current winner that we got. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Take care and stay safe.